In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free VO3 videos with Perplexity AI. Whether you're promoting your latest product or starting a new business venture, video content is a powerful way to reach your audience. With the help of Perplexity AI, you can easily generate engaging and eye-catching videos without spending a dime. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type the word Perplexity and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results, and what you're looking for is the official website of Perplexity AI. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on the link to get to their homepage. Once on the Perplexity website, look for the clip icon. This is an important step because clicking on it will allow you to upload the product that you want to create a video for. Whether it's an image of your soda can or any other product you're aiming to promote, make sure to have that file ready for upload and go ahead with the process. After uploading your product, it's time to come up with a prompt. This is where you provide a short instruction or a description of what you want your video to convey. For instance, if you're trying to market your soda business, you might say something like, "Make a video ad for my soda business." Be clear but concise with your prompt to ensure the tool understands your needs perfectly. Next, it's time to choose the right model for video creation. Look for the model option on the web page and click on it. Among the options that pop up, select Google Gemini 2.5. This model is particularly suited for creating visually appealing and effective video ads, leveraging cutting-edge technology to bring your vision to life. We're almost there. With your prompt ready and model selected, the last thing to do is submit your request. Look for the Submit button, usually situated prominently on the page, and click it. This action alerts Perplexity AI that you're ready to go, and it will start processing your request. Once submitted, give the AI a moment to work its magic. Soon enough, your tailored video will be ready for you to view and use as you see fit. Whether for marketing purposes or simply to enhance your digital toolkit, you now have a high-quality video at your disposal, created effortlessly and without cost. All thanks to the handy tool that Perplexity AI provides. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to create stunning VO3 videos using Perplexity AI, revolutionizing the way you present your products or ideas. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.